My latest work of art is complete. Come and take a seat. Take a look.
Finally, took you long enough, Vincent.
You can't rush art. You of all creatures should know that.
Maybe. Now move out of my way and let me take a look. Vincent, there are some. I think there are.
What is it, Penny? Did you scratch it already?
No. There are some tiny people in there. Look.
How strange. Hello, my name.
Oh, Vincent, there are small, not deaf.
Oh, okay. Hello, my name is Vincent van Gogh.
Yeah, we all know who you are, Vincent van Gogh. The great painter of all time.
Oh, you. But if I bet we take the time machine for a spin, we will find the greatest artist of all time.
Oh yes, and then we make the greatest art of the world has ever seen.
Well then, let's go. Here we go, tiny people. One. Oh, that was a rocky ride. But look over there.
What on name is this?
Hello, I'm Vincent.
You really my beautiful executed art. No, my name.
Oh, I'm sorry, but perhaps I can help.
No, you need it all.
But you see, I have a time machine. We can go back, or you can come with us.
Go with you to where?
We are on a mission to find the greatest artists of all time and to create the greatest art.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Well then, fantastic. Let's go.
Precisely. Are those tiny people? We are at the next stop. I'm rid of Koud, great art alive.
So are we. My name is Vincent van Gogh and this is
Leonardo da Vinci.
We are on a mission to find the greatest artists of all time.
Well, you can't read play Bonnie.
Get in the time machine. We are essentially going to create the greatest art of all time with you.
Alright. We are arrived at the next stop.
Excellent work, Penny.
Aliens, run!
We are not aliens, we are artists.
You've a spaceship thingy.
Time machine.
Spaceship thingy sounds alien. No, silly. Are you an artist too? I'm no alien. Shall get my work.
Let's jump, Penny. Let's get an amazing artist.
The very best.
But that's me.
Oh no. It's not working. Ghosts are in last couch.
No. Let me look.
Oh!
Get me out of here! I'm an artist!
Good morning, this is a Twilling TV channel. Good morning. The greatest artists in all time meet together in Navàs, a little town in the center of Catalonia, in order to design and create the greatest work of art ever made.
They use a time machine to travel in time and find the different artists: Vincent van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci, Salvador Dalí, Eugène Delacroix, El Greco, and Rodolfo.
While they were traveling in time, they had to manage with some problems with the time machine. Luckily, Leonardo da Vinci, as an inventor, could manage to mend the time machine and travel again to the 21st century. Finally, they landed in Navàs,
and they meet there with art team, a group of children from San Josep School who are working on art with other partners from artist countries too.
After an intense meeting, they agreed to create the greatest work of art together.
Whoa! Where are we? What is this? Let's go inside.
What is this? Where are we? I don't know. Oh, who are you? I'm Vincent Van Gogh. I am Leonardo da Vinci. I am Salvador Dalí. You are in San Josep School in Navas. Oh, in Navas. Come, come.